Welcome back to another video for the channel. In the last video of this playlist, I spoke about where I could get themes for WordPress. My WordPress being locally hosted off my computer, so I'm not currently paying for hosting on the domain of the internet like GoDaddy, hosting, and Namecheap. Nah, I'm only using it off my computer for the development purpose. And when I'm done with this project, then I can go publish it on my domain. Now, I spoke in the last video as to where I get the theme ideas or the theme that I like, go through its demo, have some good reading of what it's actually good at, as in the functionalities, what it provides, and went to wpshop.net where I can actually get this same theme at a way cheaper price using the GPL Global Public License. Here I'll just be doing the project offline. When it's completed and I'm happy with it, then I'll be going online. The only disadvantage is that as I'm doing offline, the SMTP, which is for mailing, sending emails, and so on, it just won't work. No, but that isn't the problem. That isn't really a problem at all. Now, to skip this long introduction on this, what I'll be speaking about the last video, I'll be going to plugins. And yes, this one here, it doesn't really need internet, but it only uses the internet for one reason, is because it's going to be loading plugins that I will be downloading. So here you can see a few plugins, and those are plugins that are actually online because I have internet connection, and I'm looking for a WP reset. Now, if you're not accustomed with WP reset, it's really great. WP reset, generally, that's it here. That's the one I use every single time when I want to restart a WordPress project from scratch. It will allow you to delete all media, all posts, all pages, all comments, every single content, and choose whether or not you want to delete all your plugins also, or do you want to delete your themes. So I've just installed it and I'm going to activate it. And here, let's just miss that. So this is the WP reset. I'm going to click on it here. You don't need a license. It's generally practically free. I need to zoom out a bit just to close it. Okay, so here you just a basic WP reset right here. Right here, there's site reset where you can actually reactivate the current theme, and I want to reactivate the previous set. I always want to have it available, so I don't have to go download it. Here I'm going to type in reset, and what it does, it resets the whole WordPress. And I can create a snapshot like it's basically a backup, but I don't want that, so let's just reset all comments, all posts, all media, all pages, all here will be removed, including all plugins that I've just recently installed will be removed. So just wait a while for it to be completed. It doesn't take more than, yeah, it doesn't take a lot of time. So here you can see, if I go to plugins, you will see WP reset, and you'll see all the other plugins that were actually there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to WP automatic. Yeah, I'm going to delete these. It actually leaves all your plugins for you, and you choose whether or not you want to delete it. If I go to themes here you can see that theme I just had earlier is no longer activated, so I can delete it. I don't want it. But generally, that's it for this video. That's the WP reset. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. The next video, I will be installing the theme and importing its details.